Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. With Aweber landing pages, you can use rows and dividers to create that little bit of space that helps polish your landing page even more. So let's say we have this landing page right here. Let's add an e-commerce button to it. So with the e-commerce button right there, I feel like it's a little bit tight. It's a little bit too close to those images below. So the first thing we're going to do is add a row. We'll add a row in between the buy button and those images. Now there's a lot of space right there, but if we preview it, there's no space because the row is invisible right now. There's nothing added to the row. So we've got to add something to actually create it so it's visible on the online version. So let's drag the divider in there. You'll see that it's got this line in here. Now we can change the padding to increase that space. Let's give it like 30. And we can also get rid of that line because you probably don't want that there unless you do want a divider. But we'll just change that to none so it's invisible. And now when we preview, we got a nice little padding between that first section with our buy button and that next row with all those other images. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in Aweber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.